Hello, this is Cynthia Fick, and this is the May 19th stock market update. I'm going to answer some questions you might have on your mind. Lately, the NASDAQ, after a 6-week run up, has taken a couple days off and has been trading down. And I'm going to show you a few charts to help you understand our thinking on that. Let's start off first by looking at over a year chart of the NASDAQ. And this is the most recent run that we've had up. You can see that we've gone from 21,000 after a 10% correction or so to well over 25,000, almost 26,000. And so, yeah, anything that goes up this fast, and that's that straight up, some of you might have seen on your statements, can come down that fast also. So right now, this is just a normal, healthy, to be expect pullback from a very long run. So let's look at some individual stocks. Are all stocks going to have a big pullback? Are all stocks overpriced and overbought right now? Let's look at a couple of different stocks. And if we look at this over your chart in NVIDIA, we can see that it basically traded sideways from July of 2025 until just recently and has started to run up now. So is this stock with powerhouse earnings overpriced at this point? No, but could it potentially have a pullback just like the rest of the NASDAQ right now because it's kind of, come pretty far pretty fast? Yes, most definitely it could. Let's look at another stock we like, Apple. And we can see this stock kind of, traded sideways from October-ish of last year until really just recently also, and is starting to do well. Could it pull back? Most definitely, but is it way, way, way overbought? Most likely not. Let's look at another stock just to do some comparison. There's a lot of talk of bubble these days. What's in a bubble, what's not in a bubble? Let's look at this. Not trying to pick on it, but look at SanDisk. This is what kind of run it has had since, even March of this year. So this kind of stock that can go that far, that fast, yeah, that could be a wee bit of a bubble and wouldn't be surprised if it, trades back down even more. Would I buy this now? No, I would not. Some people are looking at it, gosh, yeah, I'd buy it now. Look how far it's gone. Well, again, we're, going for long-term wealth creation, not a roll of the dice. And yeah, SanDisk, if they can support their earnings, they can support this price. And at some point, we may look to add it to the portfolio, just not right now. So this is how we look at stocks, and these are the ways we make decisions on buying and selling. Is the market overall overbought and in a bubble? Doesn't look like it. It's just come pretty far, pretty fast since that 10% pullback that we all kind of have forgotten about we had in March and April. And it's doing its normal, healthy, to be expected pullback. If anything changes, we will let you know. Hope you have a great week, and we'll talk to you next Tuesday. Bye-bye.